Alright, good morning class. Hope you guys are doing good. And today I'm wearing mask, following protocols for COVID-19, and I hope you guys are also doing the same thing, right? So, as we have already discussed, today we are going to start with patent. Alright? In our previous class, we have tried to understand what do we mean by patent and what are the things which are required to get patent. Alright? So today we are going to start with patent law in India. Alright, before we start, again, a patent is nothing but it is a protection and rights given to whom? To a creator for what? For their invention. Alright, so patent is nothing, it is a right, it is a protection given to a creator or an inventor for his or her inventions. Alright, so let us start with patent law in India. So we have already done with the concept of patent. Now we will start with where does patent stand in India. Alright. So patent law in India, Patent Act of 1970. Alright. The definition for patent according to Patent Act 1970 is Section 2, Clause 1, Subclause M. Again, I would like to repeat, Section 2, Clause 1, Subclause M of the Indian Patent Act 1970 defines patent as patent means a patent for any invention granted under this act. So, Section 2 says patent is a form of protection to whom? To the creator or to the person who invents, who creates a new invention. Alright, it gives protection, it gives rights. So, let us start first with subject matter. Alright, under the Patent Act 1970, we will start with subject matter. Now, what is subject matter? Subject matter, according to Section 3 and 5 of Indian Patent Act 1970 states any method of agriculture or horticulture. Alright? Subject matter is what are the subjects under the patents that cannot be given a patent right. Alright? This is the meaning of subject matter. So what are the things when a person creates or invents a new thing, what are the things that he cannot have a patent rights? So number one is, as I have already mentioned, any method of agriculture or horticulture. So if there is an invention relating to agriculture or horticulture, a person cannot claim for patent rights. Number two is any process under the bracket of medical, surgical, curative or other treatment of human being. So if there is an invention which is related to either medical treatment or a curative treatment or a surgical treatment relating to whom? To any human being, animals or plant, then a person or a creator or an inventor can't go for patent. And the third one is any upgrade or discovery of anything that relates to atomic energy. Now, if a person is related to atomic energy, that means if a person is a scientist, alright, a normal person can't be related to atomic energy, isn't it? If a person is a scientist, if a person is a physicist, or he is good in chemistry, he has done PhDs in this kind of fields and he is related to atomic energy, then if he discovers a new invention, then his creation can't be patentized. Alright, so these are the three basic things under subject matter. Now, next we move on to novelty. Alright, novelty. Now, what does novelty mean? What do we understand when novelty comes in our mind? Now, let's try to read out. The concept of novelty in patent law embodies the principle that only truly new innovation deserves patent protection. Novelty means new compared to prior art. It states that requirement that to be patentable, an invention must somehow be different from all published articles, known techniques and marketed products. So what do we understand by novelty? Novelty in a very simple and in a very common term or language, we can term it as a new innovation or a new thing or a new creation. Alright, novelty means a new innovation, new creativity or a new thing. An old thing can't be termed as a novelty. For instant example, alright, for an example, if a software developer develops a software which is very new, which is not common, which is not seen by any human being, and it is for the first time, then we can call it novelty. Alright? Now we all know, we all use WhatsApp, we all use Instagrams. Even these are the inventions invented by some creator, isn't it? But we can't call it novelty because we already know that exists. But in tomorrow's time, if there is a new software related to text or related to any other social media, related to food, related to any creation, any invention which is totally new, which people have no idea, which people have never seen, never heard, then it can be termed as novelty. So generally novelty means a new creation, a new thing, alright, a new invention, alright. So this is known as novelty, alright. Moving on to next, we have grant of patent in India according to Patent Act 1970. Alright, so we are moving on to grant of patent. So what are the procedures in order to get a patent for an inventor? And his invention must be novelty. Novelty meaning a new one, a new thing which we have never heard about. Alright, so what are the things required in order to get patent in India according to Patent Act 1970. So let's start. The procedure for a patent grant in India starts after the patentability search, which determines the novelty of the invention. The step-by-step process for obtaining patent grant is as follows. So the procedure for a patent grant in India starts after the patentability search, which determines the novelty of the invention. So in order to get patent in India, the first thing is that the person who gives patent will examine whether an invention has novelty or not, whether the invention is new in its kind or not. Alright, so the step-by-step process for obtaining patent grant is as follows. So there are certain steps, alright, there are certain procedures that has to be followed in order to have patent. Alright, so the number one is patent filing application. So the first thing the inventor or the creator has to do is he has to file an application. To whom? To the Indian Patent Office. Alright, so he has to file an application. So the first step in the procedure for a grant of patent is filing the patent application. So he has to file an application in order to get a patent. Also, patent application must contain specification of the invention and other relevant details of the invention. So first he will have to submit an application, and in that application what are the things that has to be there? There has to be in a very specified way the process of invention. What are the process of his inventions? Alright, and other relevant details of the invention and other related documents relating to his invention. Supposing for an example, if I create a software again, alright, if I create a software which is a new one, which people has never seen or heard before, it is my own invention, a software relating to text or a social media, or it can help to society, Alright, so I have created a software. So in order for me to get my patent, right, first of all I have to file an application. In that application I have to write all the details in a very specified way. What are the things my software have? What are the things my software will do? What are the things my software is capable of? I have to write all those things, alright, in detail. That is number one. Number two, publication of application. So after I file my application, the second step which I have to do is publication of the application. After filing, every application goes to the Indian Patent Office. The Indian Patent Office publishes the patent application in the official patent journal. So after filing it, it goes to the Indian Patent Office, and the Indian Patent Office, it publishes my application in its own website or its journal. Alright. After that, moreover, the patent application comes in the public domain after the Patent Office publishes it. Indian Patent Office publishes the patent application after 18 months of the filing of the date. So, as soon as I file my application for patent, what does the authorities do? They publish in their journal. And when they will publish? After 18 months. After 18 months of filing of my application. Alright? So, don't forget, after 18 months. The date of publication is important as the right of the invention starts from the date of publication. So, the date after 18 months when my application is published by the authorities, that date is very important. Why? The reason is, from that day onwards, if I get patent rights, the day will be counted from that particular day. Alright? Right from the day when my application was published by the authorities. This is what publication of the application is trying to tell us. Now moving on to the third one, examination of application. So now after I file my application, after the second process has been completed, the third step will be examination of application. So the examination takes place to determine whether the invention meets the statutory requirements for patent or not. So the examiner will look it and make it sure that whether the application for patent is according to the law, according to the standards or not. Alright, if I have stolen someone's innovation, then I can't have patent for it, isn't it? If I have copied someone, if I have tried to use someone's invention saying that this is mine, then I can get patent, isn't it? So in this stage, the examiner will examine whether it is valid or not. Alright? So the fourth is objection by the examiner. Alright? After the examination, then comes objection, whether my patent is liable or not. Alright? So, after an examination of the report, there is a possibility of an examiner raising the objection. Alright? So, after the examination is over, there is a possibility from the examiner side whether it is liable or not. Alright? So, he may raise an objection. During the examination, the examiner scrutinizes the application in accordance with the Patent Act. So what does it mean? During the examination, before he objects, he tries to scrutinize, he tries to check, he tries to compare with the Patent Act, whether the procedures, whether the standards are in an optimum level or not, whether a person is a fraud, whether a person is a genuine. It is the duty of the examiner to examine. And if he finds that the criteria to get patent is not fulfilled, then he can always object. Alright? He can always put an objection. In accordance with the Patent Act, Based on the review of the application, the examiner will issue an examination report known as first examination report. So after all the procedures is complete, then the examiner will issue what? He will issue first examination report, also known as FER. FER. Alright, don't get confused with FIR. FER stands for first examination report related to patent. Alright, and FIR stands for first investigation report relating to criminal law. Alright. So, and at the fifth step now, when all these four steps are complete, alright, filing, then after that now publication, after that examination, and if there is no objection from examiner, then at the final stage patent is granted. Alright, patent is granted under section 43 of Indian Patent Act of 1970. Alright, so patent is granted. This is the final step in getting a grant of patent in India. So after fulfilling all the procedures, after completing all the required procedures, then a person can grant for a patent. Will get a grant for a patent. This is the final step. Once the patent application overcomes all the objections of the examiner, the patent office will grant a patent to the application. Alright, so basically in India, in order to get a patent right, there are 5 stages. Alright, there are 5 stages. So the last one is duration of patent rights. So everyone is curious, I suppose, what is the duration for a creator? Alright, the term of every patent in India is 20 years from the date of filing the patent application. So the term in India for a patent right is for 20 years. For 20 years from the date he files his application, as I have already discussed, from the day. Alright, so this is what patent is all about in India, and I hope you guys have understood. And if there is any questions, if you have not understood, then you can always WhatsApp me, you can always call me. Alright, and I hope you guys are going through the notes also. Make it fair. I have sent it in PDF file, and I hope you guys will make a fair copy of that. Alright, God bless.